So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a polar area chart on the Visme application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the light blue circle. Now under project type, go to the middle and press on charts or graphs. Once you're on this screen, go to this bar right here where it says gouge charts, area charts, etc. Just slide this all the way to the right until you come across an option that says polar area chart. So for me, it's in between histograms right at the end. Just press on polar area charts. Now once you're on this screen, what you can either do is select a blank template if you so wish, or what else you can do is actually slide down and view a whole bunch of different already pre-built templates in the Visme application. So if you like one of them, I'll just go ahead and press on this one right here of employee turnover rate. It's now going to take a couple seconds to create this project and to load this template into Visme. But once that is done, what you will see right about now, you actually have a pre-built template of a polar area chart. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create a polar area chart on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.